Not too bad, but I can feel a little bit of resistance here. Nice. Just a little bit. Now we can say hi to the camera. Now I'm putting my hand through. Okay, good. We've done this one before, right?
Yeah.
Put your hands over my hands. Good. Elbows in. Good. Relax. Okay, just take some breathing. And breathe out. Whoa. Nice. There's a big crack. Feeling okay?
Yes.
Nice. Getting a little bit taller now. You seen any chiro videos?
A few.
A few,
Yeah.
right. TikTok or YouTube?
TikTok.
TikTok, okay. We'll make you famous. Okay. Today still feeling a little bit in the front, right? Wow. That's loud, right? Ooh, that's already cracked a little bit. I still want to give a little bit more here. Okay, there we go.